Hi my dear children, good morning to all. Today I am here to take the remaining chapter of equatorial rainforest. So the last class, before winding, we discussed about the vegetation. Listen, vegetation was the point we discussed for the last class. So today we are moving with the wildlife of the people of Democratic Congo. This chapter is a very lengthy one. That is why I am taking only 1 or 2 points for a class. So listen carefully. Write the points on the back side of the notebook again and again. I am reminding you, you have to write the points at the back side of the notebook. After reading the points only, you have to read the textbook. Then you will be able to understand. So SS will become easy subject for you. Okay. So today we are going to deal with our wildlife. Wildlife. So my dear children, when we go through the forest and all, wild varieties of apes can be seen. Ape means it is a category of monkeys. That is, we can see gorillas, chimpanzee, then bonobo. Likewise, so many varieties of monkeys are there. So when we discuss about the wildlife, we can see so many varieties of ape. Next, other than that, in the forest we can see so many different kinds of animals such as squirrels, leopards, birds, butterflies, then lion. You see, so many other varieties of animals also can be seen. When we say about the wildlife, we have to say all the things. Not only about the ape, but we have to go through the remaining animals. You see. So, next point is that this area is thickly populated and most of the people concentrate on the river Sire river basin. This is thickly in your textbook itself. It is given the majority of the people of Democratic Congo. They are this thickly populated area and all people will live along the Sire river basin. And the next point is that about 80% of the people lives in the village. 80% of the people lives in a village. And what life they are leading? They are leading traditional way of life. Most of the people, about 80% of the people lives in the village and they lead which type of life? They are leading traditional way of life. And next is that is about the people. About this people, that is 80% of the people lives in the village. They lead a traditional life and most of the people in that area, that is majority, belongs to Bantu tribe. Bantu. Majority of the people belongs to which tribe? Bantu, otherwise Bantu. Bantu. So that the people of that area, they speak which language? They speak Bantu language. They speak Bantu language. Majority of the people belongs to this Bantu tribe and they all speak which language? Bantu language. And in the forest, in the dense area, we can see pygmies. We can see pygmies. In the last class, I have already discussed about the pygmies. So today I am not going to explain about pygmies. In the dense forest, what we can see? Pygmies can be seen. That is, pygmies means a primitive tribe. Pygmies means pygmies means primitive tribe. The primitive tribe in the sense they lead a nomadic way of life. Throughout the history we can hear a word nomad. Nomad means what? Nomad means wanderers. Wanderers means what? they will be going from one place to another in search of food. They will be going from one place to another in search of food. They hunt. They will hunt and eat the food. So these pygmies are the primitive tribe. They are the primitive tribe. They lead a nomadic way of life. Then we have to say about the Democratic Congo. In that area, people enjoy music. They like music very much. They enjoy music. And in that area, Yaka people, that is one group. Yaka, Y-A-K-A, that people of Southeast, that is Yaka, Y-A-K-A. These people, they are very good in carving things in the walls and all. They are very good in carving. They are carving with the help of rosewood and mahogany tree. If they are carving in the wood and all, they are using rosewood and mahogany. So my dear children, up to that our wildlife is over and you have to go through the points. And before winding the class, we were discussing about the wildlife, varieties of ape, then primitive people, pygmies, then Bantu language, Bantu people. Then they were living in the river basin, Zaire river basin. Most of the people, 80% of the people lives in village. They lead a traditional life. Then we were discussing about nomads, wanderers in search of food. They will go here and there. So these are the points today we discussed. Write the points, go through the lesson, and the next after the online class I will be giving the answers for you. So have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you.